We all have work to do, but it can be hard to know where to start or how to stay focused. Whether you're an employee, a freelancer, or an entrepreneur, the following tips can help you get the work done more efficiently and effectively. Set specific goals. Before you start working, it's important to know what you're working towards. Write down specific, measurable goals for each project or task, and then break those goals down into smaller, manageable steps. This will help you stay focused on what's important and avoid wasting time on tasks that don't contribute to your overall objectives. Create a to-do list. Make a list of the tasks you need to complete, in order of priority. This will help you stay organized and make sure you're using your time effectively. As you complete tasks, check them off the list, and move on to the next one. Eliminate distractions. Identify the things that distract you from getting your work done and eliminate them as much as possible. This could mean turning off your phone, closing your email, or finding a quiet place to work. Whatever the distractions are, make a plan to minimize them and stay focused on your work. Take breaks. It's important to take regular breaks to prevent burnout and improve your productivity. Get up and stretch, take a walk, or grab a snack. This will help you recharge and come back to your work with renewed energy and focus. Use tools and technologies. There are many tools and technologies available to help you do your work more efficiently. Consider using a project management tool, a productivity app, or a time tracking software to help you stay organized and focused. Stay motivated. Finally, it's important to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people and find ways to celebrate your successes along the way. Remember why you're doing the work, and keep that in mind when you're feeling overwhelmed or discouraged. Doing the work can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. By following these tips, you'll be able to get your work done more efficiently and effectively, and achieve your goals faster. So go out there and start doing the work. If you're interested in learning about wealth, we highly recommend you grab a copy of Adella Pasos's book. Click the link below to learn more. If this video was useful to you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.